There she goes. Woo! She's a beauty, my friend. She's a beauty. That's a pretty good view of the motor. To the left there is a 20-tooth sprocket. Here you can see on the right is the 26-tooth sprocket, which is attached to a drive shaft which runs from the left to the right and has two sets of blades. People question the two-bladed design, which I understand, but actually if there's wind it works brilliantly. It really does. There's absolutely no problem at all. The rusty thing you can see there is actually a 10-kilo weight which I put on the back because at the moment I'm still working on the design and the weight distribution isn't perfect. It should be more towards the back rather than to the front. There we go. It's on a 12-volt system. I'm going to take it off temporarily. There you go, now you can see the motor hammering it round. She is a beauty, my friend, she is a beauty. Look at those blades catching the wind. Beautiful. I was going to change angle there, but that's quite a good one. There you can see the DIY blade hub in action. Here we go, a little bit more wind. The bushes are rustling and the turbine is a whizzing. There she goes. Woo! She's a beauty, my friend. She's a beauty. You can see the rear bearing, and there is quite a long offset between the rear bearing and the second set of blades. So the rear set of blades are themselves causing a drag which pulls the turbine into the wind. At the moment I've got a problem with the tower from where we basically dropped it from 10 feet. Let me show you the other bearings. So there's that bearing in the middle now. There you can see a close-up of the bearing on the front, and there's also bearing on the underneath the cable ties. There's a slight angle pointing upwards. If the nut and bolt are adjusted, the angle can be elevated. The shaft is two pieces. I had to weld the 400mm on the end because I wanted it longer. I'm going to build a new one which has better weight balance and can turn into the wind easier. So in the next video we should be taking the turbine down and doing some changes to it and try and sort out the broken tower. I'm going to make a list so we're organised, we've got the tools, and we'll get it done. Peace, see you soon.